Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a tasty recipe, chili prawns recipe. The ingredients needed for this are 250 grams prawns, cleaned, deveined and soaked with little salt and turmeric. In a bowl, add the cleaned prawns. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Don't add more of ginger. For seafood, little is enough. Ginger should not be more. Add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Squeeze it on it, and now I am adding half teaspoon of soya sauce. For this we won't be adding vinegar. Add coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. This will give a nice flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of cornflour so that it forms a coating. To blend all these things well onto the prawns, we just add 2 teaspoons of oil. Not much. Then salt to taste. I'm adding half teaspoon. Now mix it thoroughly, so that each pieces of prawns get mixed thoroughly. If you want spicy, you can increase the chili flakes level little, or even add pepper powder. Now keep it in the fridge for it to marinate for an hour. Now it has been kept for an hour and it's fully ready after marination. On a microwave tawa, we need to place it. Before that, we have to grease the microwavable tawa and place all at once. It is just few. If the prawns are very small, you might have more. Just one serving it comes to. Space it properly, and it might take only 3 to 5 minutes in the microwave to cook. Cook it in the microwave oven for 3 to 5 minutes, depending upon the size of the prawn, it will be ready. Now the chili prawns are ready. You can eat it with parathas.
If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.